Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Arifan bin Muhammad Kamal. I'm going to present for management environment part. First, I'm going to explain the definition of management environment. The external factors, conditions, and events that influence an organization's performance are referred to management environment. It includes economic, demographic, technology, social-cultural, political or legal, and global environment. Next, the external environment of super big pharmacy. According to Ms. Divya, the manager of super big pharmacy, the most important factor that influences their business is the competitors. Ms. Divya stated that the challenges are giving the same type of services as other competitors. This will happen when there are a few other businesses that have the same service and sell the same product as them. There are some pharmacies that located near to super big pharmacy. Besides, super big pharmacy also have to satisfy the demand of customers made on the daily basis. If they don't have the products that many customers need, they probably lost their customers and lost to their competitors. Last but not least, the organizational culture of super big pharmacy. Super big pharmacy organizational culture is revolved around their visions and missions, where they aspire to build the pharmacy that complete their customers' need. Super big pharmacy core value is giving a good and excellent quality of performance, having a good leadership that have tendency to grow the company and go further through this industry, a very great teamwork, and take care of each other within the company. That's all from me for management environment. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Zakia. I'm going to present planning. Planning is the primary management function. Planning refers to the organization objective or goals, establishing an overall strategy and developing a comprehensive hierarchy of plans to integrate and coordinate the activity. Planning is a process consisting of several steps. The process begins with environmental scanning, which simply means that planner must be aware of the critical contingencies facing the organizations in terms of economic conditions, their competitors and their customer. Based on the interview, Super Big Capital Berhad are using strategic planning. Super Big Capital Berhad aim to be listed in main board Bursa Malaysia less than 5 year time. With 4 strategically planned business models, Super Big Capital Berhad plan to expand at least 100 outlets to the whole Peninsula Malaysia to the areas that are easily accessible by public. Benefit of planning. Planning provides a guide for action. Plans can direct every action to what desired outcome. When actions are coordinated and focused on specific outcome, they are much more effective.
Now I will talk about the organizing. Based on the Super Big Capital Berhad, there are 3 key elements in the organizational design, which is the work specialization, departmentalization, and also change of command. Firstly, work specialization. In Super Big Capital Berhad, staff are divided into 3 groups: the customer team, the pharmacy team, and also the purchasing team. The employer attend to distributed tasks which make their work more efficient. Secondly, the departmentalization is a group of doing a common work activity so the work gets done in a coordinated and integrated way. In Super Big Capital Berhad, they are used a functional departmentalization as a departmentalization. So a manager organizes the workplace by separating purchasing specialists, human resources, accounting and finance, retail, operating, IT and pharmacy specialists into a department. It is to make the work more easier to do and to smooth the organization, and also to increase the total sales and increase the profit. Lastly, the change of command is the line of authority to extending from upper organizational level to the lowest level, which clarifies who report to whom. This shows the authority and responsibility of organization member.
I'm going to present management leadership part. First, I'm going to explain the definition of leadership. Leadership is a process of leading and influencing a group to achieve specific goals. This process is done by someone called a leader. An organization's ability to face all contemporary challenges depend on how effective the leadership is. Based on the interview, Super Big Capital Berhad are using democratic style of leadership. Managers and employees always having formal discussion. Employees are told to do innovative thinking and idea for company. Super big practice and use concept of cooperation between managers and employees. Super big gave an employee an opportunity to give opinion and idea, but the final decision will be made by managers. Superbig also stated the way they resolve conflicts and motivate the employee is by communicate directly to the employee that face conflict. Managers will meet someone that he feel can discuss and resolve the conflict in short period of time. Superbig always succeed in resolving conflict by discussion method. Superbig stated that conflict is very bad for companies because it can lead to a bad experience and toxic work environment.
CSR. CSR stands for Corporate Social Responsibility, which holds that businesses should examine how their actions may affect the environment and society. It is strongly related to sustainability, which is the process of generating benefits for the economy, society, and environment, as well as ESG or environmental social governance. There are four types of CSR, which are environmental responsibility, ethical responsibility, which also known as human rights responsibility, philanthropic responsibility, and also economic responsibility. Benefits of CSR. CSR enhance positive relationship, offers employees a nice work environment, company earns the trust of customers, and many more. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today I will share about workforce diversification. So workforce diversification means similarity and difference among employees in terms of age, culture background, physical ability and disability, race, religion, gender and sexual orientation. So we can see in this company, they're also not free from this problem. They are employees of different religion, gender, and even age limit, but the leader can deal with this problem well. So we can see that the good leader is important to prevent this problem well. So there are several benefits of workplace diversity, which is it can increase understanding of marketplace and to represent the community they are in better. So it also has challenges. So um, the first is cultural misunderstanding, and the others is communication barrier. So that's all from me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurayana binti Fadil. So, my part is control. The definition of control is a managerial task that entails keeping track of operations to make sure they are carried out as intended and addressing any material discrepancies. An efficient control system makes sure that tasks are carried out in a way that contribute to the accomplishment of the organization objective. However, a control system makes it easier to attain goals to determine how effective it is. So in this company, they use a feed-forward control. Ultimately, feed-forward control should be used. Predator issues are avoided by this kind of control. Before the actual activity begins, it's occur. Preventative managerial activity is the key to feed-forward control. Management can avoid problems by using feed-forward control rather than trying to feed them. Information that is timely and accurate is needed for this control, but it can be challenging to develop. In the perspective of quality, we provide excellent customer service. We assure all of our products are safe and effective. We maintain work of high standard. We uphold our professionalism in all undertaking. In the perspective of performance, we are committed to provide the best health solution for our customer. We strive to produce outstanding results. We promote continuous learning to sharpen skill and performance for growth. We aspire, educated, and value to others. Thank you.